Hello, Chef, and a real quick recipe for you. So if you watch my other videos, you're going to see how to marinate pork. These are pork sirloins, and they're looking really good. They've been marinating for a couple of days now. They do change color a little bit, but that doesn't matter. All the flavor is penetrating, and these babies are gonna be good. So I'm gonna take one of the beefier ones here like this. I'm gonna show you a real quick recipe. One of the things I like to do here is just cut them on a bias like this. Nice little slices. Oh yeah, just like that. So I'm going to be building a little sandwich here with this marinated pork. The rest of it, by the way, is of course getting slow smoked. I just want to give you a little quick recipe here. So here you go. I got the pork. It's looking really good. The marinade is penetrated. You can see that by the color around the perimeter. I'm going to give it just a quick pounding with the hammer. Thor's hammer. All right, just a little bit of a flattening is all I'm doing here. Okay, looking good. Done with that. I'm going to put just a touch of EVO on there. All right, and I like pepper. There's a little bit of black pepper, a little extra pepper. One more thing, seasoning is essential. So here's a pinch of smoked hatch chili powder. Yep, that's a first right there. Unless you got a source, it's hard to get this stuff here. It's really, really good. So yeah, smoked paprika is very similar. But here we go. This is going to be good. Got a hot plate going here. Pork goes right on. Okay, you can pretty much see when it's time to flip it over. Just like this. Scored some good stuff here. All right. We're going to be using a French roll. This roll is a little too big, so I'm just going to trim it down. Okay, at this point we know the meat's done. It's looking good. We're going to reserve it on a little plate like this. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. I'm going to turn off my burner. Look at that. And I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to my bread. Toast the bread. Sometimes you might find you want to put a weight on there to let it toast. Okay, time to build this sandwich. I've got a little piece of romaine here. I'm going to remove the top and the bottom. I'm going to cut this romaine into just a couple of bite-sized pieces like this. Then I'm going to use my toasted bun, and I'm going to put some of this romaine down right here like this, okay? And then I'm gonna, for my base, put a little bit of marinated coleslaw. If you don't have a good coleslaw recipe, just watch some of the videos. That's enough right there. Got the coleslaw. Oh, grilled pork. Yeah, that right there is what you call a stack sandwich. Oh, yeah, that's going to be good. And on this particular sandwich, I'm going to be using the toothpicks, old school. The reason is you just don't want it to fall apart. So that's what the toothpicks are all about. Cut it right here like this. Yeah, now this is something that you're not going to get at your local diner, because this sandwich has what? It's got love. There you go. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Yeah, keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm gonna be back and show you a few tips here.